Hi, I'm Nick Frank, Senior Project Manager here at Melrose Park Village for your first construction update. As you can see, demolition and site clearing works are now complete. For those who visited the display suite, you'll be pleased to know that many of the plants and trees were successfully replanted. Environmental works are continuing on the site. Piling, shoring and capping beam works for the basement will commence shortly. This is a 3-month program. Late next month, bulk excavation works will commence on the basements. In the meantime, detailed design work is underway for the structure and services for podium level. Out on Victoria Road, infrastructure works are continuing. Service relocations will be finished early next month. The access road to the project will be completed by the second quarter of this year. As you can see, the project is progressing and we'll have more updates throughout the year. In the meantime, if you need any more information, please contact the settlements team on 1300 Melrose.